And here we have apricots. And when I buy them, I want to make sure they have just a bit of a give, see. And I wash all fruit in hot water when I get it home. I don't take any chances. So then you just go around that little ridge line. Now we want to cook them. So in this pot right here, I have half a cup of water. And to that, I'm going to add some fresh lemon juice. So there's some fresh lemon juice. I want to add the apricots, put those in. We're only going to cook those a minute or so. We want them to get soft. And we want a vanilla bean, which is right here. Now, I love to use vanilla bean. And they're rather expensive, I know, but you can get multiple uses out of them. And what we're going to do is just cut down through the center, like that, because inside are all the little seeds. We want to scrape some of those seeds right into our pan here to give this some added flavor. So you can see those little seeds going in. And then what do you do with this vanilla bean? Well, you take this and you put it into your sugar bowl. Now, those are soft. Those are soft. So I'm going to take half of these out. Once you've got this cooked, you want to let this sit in the liquid just for a little while, just till it cools down some. So now I'm going to take half of those out because we're going to make a sauce. I'm going to take half of those out and put them in here. And we're going to puree this. So to do that, I like to use my trusty immersion blender. You just puree that off until it's nice and soft. Did I tell you we're making sundaes? Yes, we are, with frozen yogurt. So that's that. We can set that aside. And then with this, we also want to have some raspberries. So we're going to puree some raspberries. So I'm going to put them in here. I'll save a few to put in with our yogurt. And I'm also going to give this a little bit of honey, just to sweeten this up a little bit. There's a little honey. And now we just do the same thing that we did to the apricots. So there's that. And now we need a small bowl, and we need a strainer. All right, so here's my sieve, and all I really want to do is get out those seeds. This is not critical. You could leave them in if you want to, but I just think it makes a nicer look by taking those seeds out. You could do this with other fruits as well. If you wanted to use blackberries, that would be good as well. And you see how I've got this nice clear sauce in the base of my dish. All right, I think you get the idea. And now, I did say we were doing this with frozen yogurt, didn't I? Well, let me show you a nice way to put this into a beautiful presentation for dessert. Just a tad. Then we need a few of these. So here are the rest of those apricots. I'm going to put those there, or you could put the yogurt in first if you wanted to. You take a scoop of this yogurt. You put it right there. Isn't that gorgeous? Then you take a little bit of this sauce, put that over the top. A few of these raspberries. This is just such a cool and refreshing dessert. More yogurt. If you didn't want to use yogurt, you could use a good ice cream. Over the top, a few more raspberries, a little bit of sauce. How pretty is this? Gorgeous. I'm ready to eat that right now. And then I like to add, put this on a nice pretty plate, and give it a skewer with mint and fresh raspberries.